This is Akshay and I came with our new video. So let's get started. Thus everyone thinking about the successful peoples, how they achieve their success and all. See, everyone has 24 hours in a day. How we are spending our time toward that defines your success. How successful people spend their time and how they earn more and how they are different from other peoples and how they achieve their goals. If now you are thinking ki they are very disciplined person, but we are wrong. Success is not the marathon of disciplined actions. The successful people are taking very small steps. That's why they are move towards their success. Now let me tell you an example of tortoise and rabbit story. I know everyone know this. Tortoise and rabbit. One day, tortoise and rabbit started the race. Rabbit has their own power, means he has the speed. He run very fastly, and tortoise not. Tortoise doesn't. Rabbit has own attitude. Ki I am very fast. I am very faster than others, and I definitely win. Then race has started, and rabbit go very fastly, and and rabbit eat and sleep there, and think tortoise speed is very less, and he will come very slowly. At that time, I am win the race. The tortoise slowly move towards the success, and he win the race. That means we need to go slowly. That means we have to take small steps. That's why we will go to our success. We will achieve our success. Everyone think about the successful people ki they are very disciplined person, but we are wrong. Discipline success is not the marathon of the discipline rules or discipline actions. So success is not about discipline, and the achievement doesn't require you are disciplined person or not. And you know what productive people do in their life? They think only one particular work or particular thing, and they complete their task, and after that they move forward. They move another work. The normal people, let's take the normal people example. The normal person think about many things and many works. But the thing is, if you are thinking about one thing or one work, then the other things come to mind and they say, hey, think about me. That's why the current work also going to disturb and other also not complete. We are not the computers. We are not the computers. The computer is multitasking, but human is single tasking. If human can working like or related like computer, that's not going to work out. So at a time, think about only one particular thing. That's why we need to be a single tasking, not the multitasking. Now, every time we are overthinker, we think about our career, we think about money, we think about some business or business lines or anything. But that overthinking habit can move you, can pull your leg towards down. Cause if you are thinking about many things, then it will not going to help. Means nothing is complete your task. Nothing, no work is going to complete. Then the point is, we have to think about only one thing, and we have to complete this thing. Think about our career and our goals and our business, but we never think about the question, and the question is how to do it, and what the pros and what the cons of the for this way. Let's make a strategy or make a plan about your goals. Write down on a paper, make a proper plan, and work based on your plans which you written on the paper. That's why your all achievement, all goals will become successful, and you will achieve it very less time. So make the strategy of your goals, and it will help you to achieve your success. So that's it. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up and share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll meet again very soon. Bye bye.